JEE Main 2023. This is the paper held on 1st February, second session. Let's go with this, whether the official answer by NTA is correct or not. If any objections are there, like that we'll see. Paper analysis also with topic wise will go. See here, one is acid part, second is alcoholic part, or is a phenol. In this case, this is as it is and only this is reacting. That means phenol is reacting. So here we need to use acid part react, that is acid chloride type of groups we need to use. Acid anhydride or acid chloride should be used here. X must be acid chloride or acid anhydride. It is fine. These two are wrong. Absolutely. Next here, OH is as it is and this is reacting. That means now it must be alcohol. This is alcohol. Right option. The correct order of bond enthalpy in kilojoules. Down the group, 14th group, bond enthalpy decreases. Proof is catenation capacity. Carbon is maximum. Carbon, silicon, germanium and tin. Expected routine group 14 elements class 11. All structures given below are of vitamin C. Most stable of them is where the differences are. See here, two double bonds are here. No conjugation. Two double bonds are side by side. This is okay. But enols, this is enol, this is also enol. Better form is this one. Because here it is conjugation. These two are looking almost same now. Now this is oxygen. Here also conjugation is there. That type of conjugation is missing here. So this is better. Little complicated only. Okay, now this is vitamin C means don't think that this is of biomolecules. It is of general organic chemistry. Is asking based on the stabilities. No comments about this question. Thank you Alliance Group for providing these papers in a detailed way. The graph which represents the following reaction as this is, you see, triphenyl. Okay, three phenyl groups are there. So this is tertiary. When tertiary is undergoing this reaction, it must be SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction means it should depend, the rate should depend only on alkyl halide. The rate should depend only on alkyl halide. So that is SN1, SN2 reaction, alkyl halides part you can take. Here this is benzene reacting with this HF. So HF means acid, so carbocation should form here. And this carbocation should be attached to this. Correct? Carbocation should be attached to this. No other option. If you want, I will give you the answer here, you see. First double bond is here. You are adding H plus. So it becomes like this. Plus charge is here. Now this is carbocation. Or you say this is electrophile, and benzene will be attached to this. Correct. So electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions, benzene part it is. The complex cation which has two isomers is saying, so NO2 and ONO, linkage isomers are possible. Here no isomerism, here no isomerism, here no isomerism. Very easy question for the students, average students also, from complex compounds. Thirty-seventh question, you see. Sulfonilic acid gives esterification test for carboxyl group. Sulfonilic acid gives red color in Lassane's test for the extra element detection. Extra element is nothing but nitrogen and sulfur. When both are present, it gives red color. So statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. This is right. Sulfonylic acid gives esterification for the carboxyl group. In sulfonylic acid, there is no carboxyl group. So, obviously, right. No questions in this. Answerable, not a tough question. Given below are two statements. Gypsum is used for making fireproof wall boards. Today I was checking complete NCRT. This line is not there in NCRT. Sure. Not in NCRT. So sometimes questions are coming beyond NCRT also. This is the proof. It is not there in NCRT. You can check. I was checking today. Gypsum term is there in the complete lesson for 3 times only. I was checking the PDF, NCRT book. Gypsum is unstable at high temperatures. This is very interesting. Gypsum means CaSO4 2H2. On heating, it becomes CaSO4 half H2. All of you know this at 120 degrees Celsius. Further heating, it will be giving you calcium sulfate. This is also known to us very well known to us. Fine, but this is completely stable. It won't decompose, and it won't mix up with water also. That's why it is called dead burn gypsum. But he is saying gypsum is unstable at high temperatures. Gypsum is stable only here. But gypsum, if you are taking CaSO4 2H2O, it is unstable. Okay, because it is losing water molecules. If he is saying in terms of calcium sulfate, then acceptable. Let us see what is the answer given. 1. Both A and R are correct, but not the correct explanation. This is not there in NCRT. So, I think there should be, at least for these kind of questions, there should be some support from NTA board. Which element is not present in Nestler's reagent? K2HgI4. Mercury is there, potassium is there, iodine is there, oxygen is not there. The easiest question. Practical organic chemistry, practical inorganic chemistry. When you are using lab materials and all, you will get this one. Practical inorganic chemistry, salt analysis, this question is there. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion, second is reason. C. Alpha halocarboxylic acid on reaction with dilute NH3 gives good yield of alpha amino carboxylic acid, whereas the yield of amines is very low when prepared from alkyl halides. And amino acids exist in zwitterion from zwitterion form in aqueous medium. Both are right only. Both are right only. Official answer by NTA is 1. 1 is given correct explanation. It is not correct explanation. Both are right. Alliance, I am supporting you. Okay, now it is the right answer. Okay, now I am supporting you means this is the right statement by you. Okay. So what actually happens is, what is saying, alpha halocarboxylic acids. For example, this is your carboxylic acid. This is the alpha position. Some chlorine is there. When this is treated with ammonia, this becomes NH2. And there is no relation with this. So this must be made correction. NTA website, I think you will get a lot of hits for this. It is going to be corrected. Definitely this key will be corrected to 1. You can check very carefully. The industrial activity held least responsible for global warming. Okay, direct question. Industrial production of urea. NCRT. Statement, direct statement. Nothing is special there. The structures of major products ABC in the following reaction sequence are. First is using NaHSO3, dilute HCl, NaCN H2O, then lithium aluminum hydride, then HCl and H2O. What is the answer given? What is the question? Answer given is 4. First NaHSO3, dilute HCl, NaCN. NaCN means you are adding HCN. Simply it is addition of HCN reaction. Second is lithium aluminum hydride. Cyanide will be converted to CH2 and H2. Right. And HCl H2OA, when you are going for this reaction, it will be converted to acid. Cyanide hydrolysis. Correct. No comments. Right only. But time taking. Little time taking. How many reason and assertion questions? Assertion and reason questions are not actually there. These must not be asked. In place of this, better you give statement 1 and statement 2. Copper plus 2 in water is more stable than copper plus. Enthalpy of hydration of copper plus 2 is much less than that of copper plus. In what sense they are taking, I didn't understand. Okay, because delta H value, there if you are using in terms of, see, official answer is given 1, 1 means correct explanation. Copper plus 2, enthalpy must be great. Great means its delta H will be more negative. More negative means they are considering as this is the lowest value. Delta H value point of view. Strange and interesting. Let us see this question. The starting material for convenient preparation of deuterated hydrogen peroxide laboratory is K2S2OH. This is like hydrogen peroxide only, H2S2O8 will be formed. On hydrolysis, it forms H2O2. Later, you can go for comfortably, what you say, hydrogen replacement and getting D2O2. This is from 50% sulfuric acid. In the figure, a straight line is given for the Freundlich adsorption, the value of 1 by n and log k are respectively. 1 by n values will be generally, the expression is known to you. Log x by m is equal to 1 by n log p plus log k. Y is equal to mx plus c. From this you can say easily y is equal to mx plus c, so m is equal to 3. Two options are here. Next value you need to find 2.505. Basic question. Given below are two statements, again assertion reason. This is ridiculous. One or two questions is okay, man. How many questions you are asking? No, not acceptable. Students, very sorry. These many number of assertion reason questions are not at all acceptable. An aqueous solution of KOH when for volumetric analysis when used maybe, its concentration should be checked before the use. On aging, KOH solution absorbs atmospheric CO2. Okay, same again. How many questions they will ask you, man? Third option, both A are correct and R is the correct explanation. Correct only, but this is again practical chemistry. Two questions. Kids, if in your college practicals are not happening properly, right time, at right intervals, ask them to do the practicals. Practicals are playing a lot of important role. Okay, I'm stopping this. Okay, now at this place because it is taking a lot of time. 46 questions, 47 to 60 questions we'll discuss in another video. This you say part 1. Meet you soon. Thank you guys.